Hey guys, it's Zekey's birthday today. He's 3, so we're gonna have some puppy birthday cake.
You ready for some birthday cake? Happy birthday, Ziki. You're so elusive, I can't get a hold of you. Where are you? There you are.
Ziki, sit.
Happy birthday, you're 3. You're 3. Happy birthday. Here's your cake. Oh, let's see what this cake looks like. Whoa. So, what is it?
It is peanut butter frosting. I think it's like an oatmeal peanut butter cake.
Oatmeal peanut butter cake
Vegan.
for Ziki. Let's cut right into it. Is that for me? I love being 3.
Did you birthday cake? Yeah. Smell yummy? He wants it.
Yeah, he wants
Let's
some of
cut
that.
into it.
Grab a knife. Happy birthday to you. You're 3 now. That means you're 21. You know what? You can eat it right on the plate. Zeke,
We're gonna watch each other.
you know what? He's gonna eat that in 2 bites. Let's give Indy a piece too.
It smells good.
It
smells
does.
like peanut
It
butter.
really does smell good. Oh, it's a double. Your mom made a double layer cake for the pups. It's your birthday. Indy's trying to figure out how to eat his over there. You like that? He's like, what is going on? I don't normally eat food like this. But
He loves it.
it's your birthday, so enjoy it. You all done?
Zeke's all done too. He
Oh.
3 bites. With that plate clean.
Okay, you're done. You're cleaning it. You're getting it real clean. That's a good boy. Well, that's your birthday cake. I'm glad you guys liked it. So yesterday was Zekey's birthday. He turned 3. And today it's December 1st. So welcome to December. We're gonna make some cookies. Now I did Vlogmas last year where I did a different video every single day leading up to Christmas. It was a lot of work. I'm not doing it again this year. I'm just gonna do random videos here and there when I feel like I have some content to share. See how that rhymed? Okay, the doggies are eating their Vdog. Okay, I'm gonna make myself a smoothie here. I've done this so many times, but you guys still want to know what kind of smoothies I make. So here it is. I have some frozen banana here and some of my favorite vegan milk. I use Oatly. There is no oil added to this, and I put about that much in. I always eyeball it. Next I have some all natural organic peanut butter. The only ingredients are peanuts. A scoop of that. A dash of ground cinnamon. 2 dashes. And the biggest question I get is what protein I use, and I use 22 Days Nutrition. This is the peanut butter one, but they also have vanilla, which I really like. They have chocolate and strawberry. This is what I've been using for a few years now. I love it. They have a new bag here, and it's always vegan with very clean ingredients, and there's only a few of them. So I really like this. It's got 20 grams of protein, and I will leave a link below if you guys want to check them out because I can't find them in stores anymore, but you can buy them directly from their site. So anyway, I'm gonna use 1 scoop of that. Boom. And that's it.
Don't put that in there.
My big blender broke, so I'm using the Shuffman Bullet. And that's it. And of course I have the bottle to match it. Home for that. Revolution Gelato. Okay, we have 4 flavors. It's gelato pie, so it's like a moon pie. And we have classic vanilla, mega mint, triple chocolate, and mocha madness. I have not seen these in the store yet. I think they're brand new, so if you guys see them, let me know in the comments below. Yeah. All right, so Rachel is really at it in the kitchen today. Yeah, what'd you make anyway?
Bow tie pasta with tomato sauce, and then I made a ricotta for it by using half a block of tofu, quarter of an onion, a red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some nutritional yeast, some garlic powder, some Himalayan salt, and then I just put it in a blender and pulsed it, mixed it in.
Are you an imposter?
What?
You never cook.
Well, I'm trying.
What do you think of that,
Oh,
guys?
look, you guys binky. And then I put some nutritional yeast on top.
That's what it all comes down to.
It's actually good.
Is it?
What's happening to me?
You're becoming a chef.
Actually, it's really good.
Well, why don't you put some in a bowl instead of eating it out of the pan? You're a barista now?
I have so many new talents now all of
Oh
a
my
sudden.
god, she's a barista.
I went to Target and I got all this stuff and now...
That's from Target and it's vegan?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? Non-dairy creamer from Starbucks. And we have some silk sweet creamy vanilla?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you showed the wrong side.
Oh, a creamer. It's creamer.
So this is new from Starbucks. Well, the first time I've seen it. It's like a hazelnut, almond, and oat milk thing to make lattes. I used to just drink black coffee. Now I've been experimenting with lattes. So,
Okay.
watch me be a barista.
Okay.
I went and got all this stuff, including this little spinner majigger thing. So, I got my Utica coffee.
The Utica branch of The Office.
Oh yeah, there is a Utica branch. Forgot about that.
Somebody's interested in what you're doing.
A little bit of the soy vanilla. A little bit, oh shit. A little bit of hazelnut. And then my favorite part
Oh, is this thing?
is this thing.
Oh, you're supposed to put it in there first?
Yep. Tiptoe it down like that.
Okay.
Oh my god, look how full this is. I think I'm doing this right. If I'm not doing this right and you guys know how to do this, tell me if I'm wrong.
Somewhere out there.
The only thing is it's not making it frothy like
Rachel, what are you doing tonight?
making chocolate chip cookies, and I'm not good at baking, so we'll see how this turns out.
Yeah.
But we're mixing regular chocolate chips and white chocolate
Yeah.
chips.
We got the vegan chocolate chips here from Wegmans.
Oh, look at all this little extra.
And we have some the Toll House white chocolate chips, which are also vegan. And there's a little V for vegan right there. There's just a couple of little boys right there.
I see some YouTube videos and they have an immaculate looking, pristine kitchen. I mean, it looks like something out of like Space Odyssey, all nice and white and nothing, no clutter. Well, that's just not real life for most people. And for my kitchen, it's definitely not the case. So I'm not even going to try. This is my kitchen. This is what it looks like.
First, we are starting off with butter.
Butter. How come you're not using my recipe? You know how I have a recipe? Vegan Zombie has a recipe?
For chocolate chip.
Yep. And you're grabbing someone else's.
I just grabbed the first one on Google.
Yeah.
My hand hurts already.
This is what's left of Ziki and Indy's, well, Ziki's birthday cake.
Where's the flour? I'm out of breath.
You're out of breath from making
Oh,
cookies.
just flour.
Hold this tight, hold this tight. All right, we're using some Oatly because it's a thicker milk
Oh,
than
shit.
the oat milk. I mean, the rice milk.
I accidentally poured a little too much.
Don't pour too much. Flour time.
Next can be the chips. But before we have the chips, I like them without chocolate chips in them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I gotta scoop out.
You're gonna split them up and make a few without chocolate chips?
Yeah.
We have the white chocolate.
Ooh, white chocolate.
I would just put them all in.
No, I want too many. Then it messes up. Way too many. They're all gonna melt.
Here they come. Here they come.
These are my special ones.
Oven's at 350. Ziki's on high alert. Looking for any scraps. We'll see you guys later. Alright, and there's the first batch. No chocolate chips. Try one. Let me know how they taste. Rachel!
Oh, good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
It looks good. It came out perfect. I mean, look at those. They came out nice. Except for no chocolate chips, so
Chocolate chip ones are in the oven right now.
it's a little bit questionable. You got the chocolate chips and the white chocolate chips. Don't pay no attention to this old stuffing. Ooh, they smell cookie-like.
All right, the cookies are done, and that's it for this video. It was short. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below. if there's anything you want me to do for the month of December. And stay safe. Watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time.